Here we show our data acquisition process. We obtain synchronized visual tactile data by registration with iRuko marker tracking. We use gel site R1.5 to capture tactile local geometry. The sensor outputs GS and GY represent the image gradient of surface normal in X and Y directions respectively. We use a Pi camera mounted on the top for visual capture and iRuko marker detection. The video shows a detailed demo. We used the gel site R1.5 sensor to collect tactile data. Its elastomer layer deforms with the object in contact, and behind the elastomer layer, an embedded camera captures the deformation as an RGB image. We then reconstruct the object's surface geometry using the photometric stereo principle. The screen on the left shows the real-time tactile reading. The upper RGB image shows the raw output captured by the sensor, and the lower grayscale image shows the reconstructed height map. To spatially align visual and tactile data, we use a customized 2x2 grid of iRuko markers to track the sensor's location in the camera frame in real time. The screen on the right shows the visual data captured by the Pi camera. We detect individual poses of 4 iRuko markers, as shown by the 3-axis coordinate frames, and use RunSec to estimate the center point's 3D pose. Then we project the 3D center point to the 2D image frame and obtain the bounding box for the corresponding visual patch. During data collection for each object, we capture one visual image, randomly move the marker to different positions, and save the corresponding tactile data and bounding box coordinates. Here are examples of our collected data. For each object, we have one full sketch, one full visual image, and about 200 tactile patches covering about 1/6 of the total area. The bounding box of the patch is shown in the blue in the sketch. Given the coordinates from the marker tracking, we crop the sketch and the visual image accordingly to show the correspondence. Here's another material to show different textures. Our dataset contains 20 garments in total, covering various fabrics commonly seen in the market, such as denim, corduroy, linen, fleece, and knitted materials. We also cover diverse object colors and shapes, such as shirts, vests, sweaters, pants, shorts, and skirts.